All right, this is 2618 Lincoln Street. Come up here on the porch. Come in the front room, brings you right into the living room. It's a nice big living room with the big corner windows on it. If we come in here and take a right, brings us to the first two bedrooms. This bedroom also has the nice big corner windows on it with a nice ceiling fan. It's got hardwood floors. All right, and then this is the other bedroom. Has a ceiling fan as well. Two windows in here. A closet. All right, and if we come back down here, brings us into the upstairs bathroom. Now on the other side we have the kitchen. Kitchen's got a nice area with some big windows for like a dining table. It's got nice cabinets and countertops. Looks like a dishwasher, microwave, fridge, and range. And off the back side of the kitchen, you have the back door here. Takes you outside the back side of the property. Then we can go downstairs. And to our left is the utility room with the washer and dryer. Furnace. And then down here we've got two other bedrooms and another bathroom. So here's the downstairs bathroom. And one of the basement bedrooms. And this basement bedroom has a downstairs kitchen as well. So this would actually be like a family room with a downstairs kitchen. So it's got a stove and a fridge, sink down in here, and a pantry in here. So this would be 3 bedrooms then, because we have another bedroom on this side with a closet there. This unit also has a 1-car garage attached to it. So you can see it out there. That window's kind of dirty, but 1-car garage with a little side room, little side sunroom on that garage as well.